shakes, you have bars by Primal Kitchen, it's collagen, so you're also going to get the benefits of helping your hair, skin, nails, joints. When you start to adjust your nutrition and eat those healthier options, one, you're going to feel better, but two, I'm going to make you lose weight.
Perfect.
You have ketchup, right? When you have ketchup in your refrigerator, it has high fructose corn syrup. Just miserable for your liver. It metabolizes differently. So anything with high fructose corn syrup, get rid of it. It actually makes you gain weight and it spikes your insulin. So when you substitute it with an all organic, natural California tomatoes, it's organic balsamic vinegar. So now you're eating a healthy alternative and it has nutrients in it. Here's it go on the screen there. Eating less is not better. You have to know what your body needs. And I'll go into the Precision Smart Scale in a second because that actually shows you in an app how many calories you're supposed to be eating a day so that you can burn it. But here's the thing. I'm going to go on to number 2 because if you are not strength training with some high intensity